Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm going to do an unboxing or an unpackaging video from an online bead supplier called Lima Beads. Let's go ahead and dive into this package and start our review. Let's go ahead and open some stone beads. We have some elongated phoenix stone rectangle pendant bars. I think I'm going to make earrings out of these. Phoenix stone nuggets. I love creating nugget bracelets, and these beautiful opal cut discs. I'm super excited about these stones. Let's open it up and take a look. We have some serious gorgeous gems here. They're all micro-faceted. Gorgeous pink tourmaline, black gold amazonite. Beautiful. Indonesian fossilized jasper. Look at these gorgeous garnet stones. Beautiful iolite stones. And of course, these are one of my favorite colors. Beautiful. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to make necklaces or bracelets out of these stones. We have another bag of stones. Let's open them up. We have these gorgeous Allaletian Mongolian carved agate flower rounds. I cannot wait to use these beads. Red rulated quartz faceted 4mm round. A strand of Mongolian agate 4mm, and gorgeous peach moonstone beryl focal beads. I'm super excited about this bag. It is all charms, connectors, and check glass. We have some gorgeous flower beads, check glass, a cute little charm. Ooh, I love these little shell charms, pretty pearl pendant, a little fishy charm, gorgeous little bohemian charm. Ooh, sunburst connectors, a heart clasp. Oh, I love this. It's a little sun and moon silver charm, a shell pendant, ooh, cloisonne focal bead, crescent moon connectors, a cute little heart charm, ooh, check glass little pendant, check glass pretty pink beads, perfect for the spring. Beautiful check glass chunky beads. Ooh, little sunburst connector. Oh, I love these. Another little flower connector. Oh, so cute. These would be perfect if you're making seed bead earrings as the base. Little Hamza charm. Oh, these are beautiful. Shell crescent moons, beautiful shell pendant, another crescent charm, little bohemian connector bead, ooh, little bird charm, another little shell connector. Oh, that's awesome. Little sacred heart charm. Fabulous check glass faceted beads. Perfect for spring. Check glass flower. Oh, another little connector. Cloisonne charm bead. Ooh, more cloisonne. Little heart charm. And little connectors. You could use these for earrings. Mother of pearl donut beads. A little silver connector stone. A little pendant. Oh, that's pretty. That's a check glass focal bead. Blue check glass flower beads. Oh, these are perfect for Valentine's Day. Little check glass heart beads. This is a leaf, a sunburst charm, and pretty little butterfly check glass beads. A beautiful flower pendant. Wow, I really love these little charms. It's a mountain scene. Beautiful shell charm. Love it. Lotus flower charm. Little rhinestone charms. Oh, these are beautiful. Check glass. Probably going to make earrings out of these. More beautiful check glass focal beads. How cute are these? More check glass, little bees. Ooh, I love these for summer. Little shell charms. Our last two items are these little mother of pearl crescent moon beads. They have a hole right there. And these check glass sun beads. So here's a partial look of my haul today. All of these beads can be found on limabeads.com. This is not a paid promotion. I just wanted to show everybody the beautiful selection that they have on their website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please comment. And thank you, and I will see you next time.